Guys, welcome back YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you're all fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always be keep smile. Today we'll say in this video, so lovely viewer will say in this video's modern hand printed rock stones ideas in 2025. Today we'll see in this video is very attractive and very stylish, unique hand printed rock stones ideas in 2025. So subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. You will see in all top creative and trending hand printed rock stones ideas, wall decoration designs, wall decor ideas in 2025. This video is very attractive and very stylish ideas. Many more beautiful ideas we'll explore in these videos. So guys, I will suggest you just keep on watching these videos till the end. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Marvelous and stylish, you will see in all top creative and trending wall decorations ideas. This video is very attractive and very stylish designs. Many more beautiful ideas we'll explore in these videos. So guys, I made suggested just keep on watching these videos till the end. You will see in all top creative and trending rock stones ideas, wall decoration designs. So many more beautiful ideas while exploring these videos. Marvelous and stylish, you will see in all trending home decoration designs. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback increases me and motivates me to bring stylish hand printed rock stones ideas, pebble art, wall decor trends. This video is very attractive and very stylish designs. Many more beautiful ideas while exploring these videos. So guys, I might suggest you just keep on watching these videos till the end. Top attractive and trending. You will see unique modern wall decorations ideas. This video is very attractive and very stylish ideas. More beautiful videos and more useful content for you guys. This video is very attractive and very stylish designs. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in these videos. Top creative and trending wall decor trends ideas, wall hanging decoration designs. So guys, I made suggested just keep on watching these videos till the end. Many more beautiful ideas while exploring these videos. Marvelous and stylish, you will see in all top creative and trending wall decorations ideas. So this video is very attractive and very stylish, unique, modern wall hanging decoration designs. So lovely viewers, I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Marvelous and stylish, you will see in your top stylish and trending wall decorations ideas. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Marvelous and stylish, you will see unique, stylish